What's the meaning of Crimewatch? Crimewatch. Crimewatch.
Crimewatch. Crimewatch. Crimewatch is a television program that aired in the United Kingdom from 1984 to 2017. The show was produced with the intention of helping law enforcement officials solve crimes by appealing to the public for information. It featured case reconstructions, interviews with witnesses and victims, and appeals for information. Viewers were encouraged to call in with any tips or leads they may have had. Over the years, Crimewatch helped to solve a number of high-profile cases, and its format was later adapted in other countries as well.